this here, a customer obviously hit something. They just ask if we can kind of just doctor it up. They don't, you know, you would normally replace the whole front bumper and get it repainted and do it them steps, but we're really not a body shop, so we're just going to take zip ties and we're actually going to stitch this together. We'll show you how we're going to do that. I cut that guy off back there, it looks like, just to release some tension here, and I'll start by showing you how we're going to. Okay, then we got that. Just kind of puzzle it back together. We're just going to make it look better. Remember, this is not, we're not a body shop. This is not professional. They don't want to dump money into it. Just be careful drilling. You never want to drill through a radiator or something. Maybe I could bend these like a certain way so I can like fish hook them like for real. I think it'll be alright if I do that kind of stuff. There we go. We're just going to do a couple stitches like that just to see how it turns out. It's better than what it was. That's all that matters. So we're going to probably just keep putting them all the way around. Yeah,
we also want to put one here so that this crack stops as well.
It's like actually doing stitches. You're using tweezers and shit. One of the ideas I always had with it, or another place I always used this, was on ATV riding. I always break plastics, trail riding and all that, so I always fix my plastics on my ATVs this way. Of course I'm going to cut all these off, but the reason I don't cut them off as I go is so if I have to pull them tighter, it's easy to do it with these tabs on. That's why I'm not cutting them off as I go. So I can actually pull them tighter if needed. Alright, that's done with. Now we can just fasten it up here. Alright, I'm going to cut all these off and see what it looks like. Make sure they're all tight how I want them. There you go. Stitch it back together.
Alright guys, so I hope that helped you. I hope maybe you can save a couple bucks if you don't care what your hoopty looks like, or if you're just in a pinch. Sometimes that happens, guys. You're waiting for the insurance company. They don't want to, you know, it's still running and driving, so they don't want to give you a rent-a-car, whatever it may be. I hope this helped you, and if you liked it, hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know if there's a different way to do this, or if this helped you, or whatever you have to say. Let me know. We want to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.